In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com and Openai Chatgpt. This process will allow you to integrate these two platforms seamlessly, opening up new possibilities for automation and interaction. To get started first, head over to the Make website. You can easily access this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Make.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will prompt you to sign in using your credentials. For convenience and quick access, I'd recommend using your Google account. It's fast, secure, and ensures you don't have to remember additional passwords. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll see an option labeled Scenarios. Go ahead and click on it. Scenarios are Make's way of setting up automated tasks, which is exactly what we want for our integration. Within the Scenarios section, you'll find a button saying Create Scenario. Click on this to start building your new integration. Now, you'll notice a big plus icon right in the middle of the screen. This is your starting point for adding features to your scenario. Clicking on it will present you with a list of various modules you can work with. From that list, you should choose Openai. Openai is the crucial component we're integrating, so make sure you select it accurately. Once you've selected Openai, you'll be prompted to choose the type of module you wish to establish with it. This selection will depend on the kind of task you want to automate. Once you've made your choice, look for the Create a Connection option. Click on it to start setting up your connection between Make and Openai. In the connection setup, it's important to choose the appropriate connection type from the drop-down menu that appears. The type of connection you choose will determine how Make and Openai communicate with each other. After selecting the connection type, you'll be required to input a connection name. This is for your reference, so choose a name that's clear and descriptive for easy identification later. Next, it's time to provide your API key. Your API key is a unique identifier that allows secure access to the Openai services. Be sure that this key is entered correctly. Following this, you'll need to enter the organization ID. This ID is specific to your associated Openai organization and ensures that requests are correctly attributed and processed. Finally, once all of your details are entered correctly, click on Save. This will finalize the connection process and set up your automation between Make.com and Openai Chatgpt. Congratulations on setting up this powerful integration. Enjoy the enhanced capabilities this connection brings to your workflow.